On the Start menu, down at the bottom of the screen, there's an area that says Computer Speed. Now, this is actually your benchmarking area, and the computer speed will tell you whether or not your computer is too slow, meets minimum requirements, or the recommended requirements. In my case, it meets the recommended requirements, which is why my bar is green going all the way across. If it was too slow, you would see a red bar here where it has too slow. Now, to analyze where your strengths and weaknesses are with your computer in relationship to how Lumion will run, just select where it has the words computer speed, and this will take you to your benchmarking area. It will analyze how your performance of your graphics card will be, the memory of your graphics card, your overall CPU score, as well as the system memory of your computer. In my case, my computer is fairly powerful, so graphics card and the graphics memory are both maxed out up here with greens. My CPU score is just a little bit on the low side, but it's still inside of the green area, meaning that Lumion thinks that it will run just fine. It's just not the fastest CPU that could be used to run Lumion. As a result, I just have a green bar going across this area, and anything in the black means that it hasn't quite reached those levels of performance. My overall system memory is also maxed out. Now, one thing that I will say is that even if you have colors in oranges or reds, as long as the software seems to be running, there are adjustments that can be made so that you can continue to run Lumion, and we'll talk about those later. If you make any changes to your system and you want to rerun your benchmark test, you can select on the Rerun Benchmark, and it'll say Benchmark in Progress. Once the bar gets all the way over to the right-hand side, you'll then get your new results. In my case, I haven't made any changes to my system, so all my settings are still the same. And then finally, to get out of your benchmarking, just select on the big check mark in the lower right-hand corner, which is the OK button, to take you back to one of your main screens.